In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the bleed line, explaining exactly what it means and why to keep it in mind while creating your designs. The bleed is the red line that surrounds the artboard and refers to the area between this line and the end of the document where the paper is going to be cut. That means that everything that is outside this line is not going to be seen on the final product. A warning will appear whenever you place an object close to the bleed line. You should stop placing objects whenever the warning appears. To avoid possible white borders, you must always keep in mind that the margins of the object we want to place in the design should have enough distance from the crop line. We are going to have a look at some positions that should be avoided. For example, this is a bad position as it is positioned on top of the bleed line. This is also a bad position as it is too close to the bleed line. This is also a bad position as it is very close to the bleed line. Here is the result. Now let's see some good examples. This is a good position as it has enough space. Here is the result. This is also a good position as it also has enough space from the bleed line. This is the result. In this example, we are designing a photo book, but you will find the bleed line on all available products.